So at this point of the process, we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candidate points. We have constructed our profit equation, and now we have to determine which of our 5 candidates maximizes our profit. And remember, maximize means to make it the biggest. So we're trying to get the biggest profit that we can in our Autotoyum Toy Emporium situation. Okay, so the first point I'm going to use is this point 7, 0. And we'll demonstrate how we use our profit equations with 7, 0. So the first thing I have to do is some substitution. And remember, as we're really solidifying the different S's, it's a good idea to write out what exactly we're doing. So we're substituting here. My equation is P of X, Y equals, that's the profit on cars and trucks, is $1 times X plus $1 times Y. And we're going to use the point 7, 0. So let me take a second to color code this the way I like to do. And now we have something where our substitution should be a little bit easier to visualize. I'll substitute X with 7 wherever I see X, and I'll substitute Y with 0 wherever I see Y. So P of 7, 0 equals $1 times 7 plus $1 times 0. And let's get ourselves color-coded again. Oops, that's not what I want to do. I hope this works okay. Excellent. I accidentally grabbed the wrong thing before, but this is better. Okay, so P of 7, 0 equals $1 times 7 plus $1 times 0. And we're done with our substituting. So now we begin to simplify. P of 7, 0 equals $1 times 7 plus $1 times 0. And we're picking up our PEMDAS at multiplication. So $1 times 7 is $7, and $1 times 0 is $0. And we'll take our plus sign along with us because we haven't done anything with that yet. We'll add $7 and $0, and that totals to $7. So we know that the profit when Auto makes 7 cars and 0 trucks is $7. And let's leave ourselves a note right here so we can keep track of that. Pause if you need to copy these notes. I'm going to erase them so I can demonstrate our profit equation using another point, 6, 2. So pause if you need to. All right. So since we're using the point 6, 2, at this point, we're talking about the profit on cars and trucks is $1 per car plus $1 per truck, and we're inspecting 6 cars and 2 trucks. To substitute, we'll say P of 6, 2 equals $1 times 6 plus $1 times 2. And now we begin to simplify. So I rewrite my work in my simplify section so I know where I'm getting started from. And we'll pick this up at PEMDAS just like before. $1 times 6 is $6. And $1 times 2 is $2. And $6 plus $2, that's $8. And we know the profit for 6 cars and 2 trucks is $8 whenever we sell whenever we sell cars and trucks and make $1 profit on each sale. And I think now we should see that this profit equation is pretty easy to tell the overall profit. All we need to do is to take these two numbers and add them together and treat it like dollars. 7 plus 0 is 7 bucks. 6 plus 2 is 8 bucks. So our other profits here, 0 plus 0 is 0. That's 0 bucks when we make nothing at all. 0 plus 5 is 5, which is $5 when we make 5 trucks and nothing else. 3 plus 4 is 7. So we're talking about $7 when we make 3 cars and 4 trucks. And just like we saw when we worked the whole problem out, I've already voted blue. Just like we saw when we worked out the whole problem, the maximum profit occurs when we make 6 cars and 2 trucks, and that profit is $8. And with our profit equation, formulation, construction, whatever, we were able to do all of that work that we were taking a lot of time with before when we tested a lot of combinations in our mind or on paper. We're able to really simplify this process, make it straightforward, recognize patterns, and quickly determine that our maximum profit is $8 when we make 6 cars and 2 trucks. So what I'm going to do is wrap it up here. I'll make one more video in the case where Auto makes $2 profit on trucks and $1 profit on cars. And we'll test the same 5 points. And we'll see if what we get here matches what we learned before. Yeah. So see me in the next one. Bye.